Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo XL in Driver's Edition. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in white and is in the Driver's Edition trim level, which grants you access to the exclusive design wheel trims, front fog lights, color-coded side trims and twin sliding doors. You have the power fold mirrors, which are painted in gloss black. Going towards the rear, you have the color-coded bumper fitted with the parking sensors, barn-style opening for the doors, and a rear view camera just where the license plate would be. And then over to the curb side, you have the fuel flap for diesel and AdBlue. This vehicle is the 1.5 liter HDI diesel with 100 horsepower, and then access to the curb side sliding door. Let's take a look at the boot now. As you can see, the rear cargo hold is fitted with a full metal bulkhead equipped with a load-through hatch, more on that later. You have cover in plastics for the panels and the doors. The rear door is obviously fitted with an interior handle as well. Lighting fixture over the roof. And then you have 121 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 122 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof being the center rib, and then an extensive 210 centimeters edge to edge over the roof, the floor. You also have 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. As I mentioned before, you have a really useful load-through hatch here at the rear. Once you lower it, you gain access into the cabin. As you can notice, the rear seat is also equipped with the metal protection. Once you access it, you will extend your access into the cargo by 72 centimeters. We obviously recommend securing anything that goes into the cabin, either with a net or some ropes. Let's take a better look into the cabin now. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with a 2-seat bench for the passengers and a fully adjustable independent driver's seat. They're all finished in fabric, in charcoal color, and once you get into the vehicle, the middle seat can be easily converted into a picnic table, and as usual from Citroen, you can see it both extends and pivots, which is really useful, especially if you're using a tablet or laptop for working purposes. The dashboard is fitted with extra loading spaces, just underneath the glove box, for example. Cup holder on each edge. And then you have one more storage unit right in front of the driver. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, the steering wheel is adjustable both in rake and depth. And you have a 2 analog clocks dashboard with a digital trip computer fitted with a color screen. You can easily adjust it through the controls on the steering wheel. More on that in a minute. Over the left of the steering wheel, you have the classic stalks for the lighting. As you can notice, the vehicle is fitted with automatic headlights. And then you have the cruise control stalk. Over to the right, you have the automatic wipers stalk. And then over to the spokes, On the left you have infotainment and voice commands, plus the trip computer dial. While over to the right you have the rest of the infotainment controls with a quick radio selector dial. A bit further down the right you can find the dial to adjust the height of the beam with a 6 heights setting. Then you have the power fold mirror, and power window control, plus the central locking unit for the rear door. And then you have the infotainment unit, which is a Citroen NAC fitted with connected navigation powered by TomTom. And you also have Android Auto, Bluetooth capability, and Apple CarPlay. The radio is obviously a DAB radio, and from this screen of the NAC unit you can also access other features of the vehicle. Like you can enable or disable both the start and stop, the traction control and the parking sensors, access the TPMS, a quick vehicle diagnostic, and other settings. Being a driver edition as well, you get access to 2 different color themes for the infotainment unit. You get the exclusive red design for the driver's edition and the brown theme as well for the driver edition. Just underneath you find the air conditioning controls and the heated mirror setting. And then this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission and an electronic handbrake. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Driver's Edition. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.